Detectives assigned to the Trelawney Criminal Investigation Branch are probing the murder of a food vendor who was gunned down in his car by unknown assailants early Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Kemar Williams, otherwise called Soupy, a chef of Water Lane, Falmouth in Trelawney. Reports from the Falmouth police are that about 1:10 a.m. Williams was sitting in his Mazda Primacy motor car in the Hague housing scheme in the parish when explosions were heard. Williams reportedly drove off but soon lost control of the vehicle, which crashed in a wall. Upon arrival of the police, who were summoned, Williams was seen with a wound to his back and his body partially hanging out of the motor car. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A 40-year-old man who was being sought following the killing of his 56-year-old sister is now in custody. The man was taken in to the police recently after Nicola Ogilvy, an animal groomer, was found dead by a relative at home in White River Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine recently. Observer Online understands that he is being interrogated by detectives. It was reported that around 11 p.m. on July 19, Ogilvy, who resided with her brother, was at home when a dispute developed between them. Police said during the dispute, a blunt instrument was used to hit Ogilvy on both sides of her head. Around 11 o'clock the next morning, family members visited the home and found Ogilvy dead on her bed and summoned the police. Upon arrival, police saw Ogilvy lying on her side, clad in a black merino, blue shorts and a pair of brown slippers with her head bashed in. The scene was processed and Ogilvy taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The body was later transported to the morgue pending post-mortem. 13 persons were arrested following the seizure of a firearm in Grange Hill District, Westmoreland. Reports from the Savannah Lamar police are that lawmen conducted an operation in the area between 10 p.m. on Saturday, July 29 to 12:45 a.m. on Sunday, July 30. During a search of the premises, one single-action Browning pistol with one magazine affixed containing 8 9mm cartridges were found in a garbage bin in the bathroom. 12 men and 1 woman were arrested.